So the overall vision for the waterfront has a number of facets to it, but one of them is opening up public spaces and opening up accessibility to the waterfront.
I work for a design studio called Land Lab, and we have a proud history of work in Wynyard Quarter.
The Karanga Plaza jump platform and harbour pool project consists of a precast concrete jump platform, custom aluminium balustrading and pontoon extensions to create the harbour pool. This project has taken a lot of creativity from our design team and even our fabricators to bring the design to life. McConnell's mechanical division has been the head contractor on this project, and it's been supported by our fabrication facility in Manukau. The balustrading is very complex. It's got lots of different shapes and angles and dimensions that we could only capture in a controlled environment with certain jigs. The jump platform was a precast concrete poured off-site, and it's had a custom balustrade fitted to it. It's constructed from aluminium. There's about 2 tonnes of aluminium balustrading on this project. The balustrading has got a protective coating that's suitable for saltwater immersion and sea spray. The harbour pool will be fitted out with swim lane brackets holding the swim lanes and various stainless steel fastenings such as ladders and grab rails. From a sustainability point of view, we've been able to reuse at least one of the existing piles that were in the marina here, and all of the pontoons were salvaged from West Haven Marina. They were refurbished and assembled into the configuration you can see that forms the harbour pool.
So the concept for the platform itself is that it should imbue urban swimming with a sense of fun. It should celebrate the moment that people jump off, and it should integrate with Karanga Plaza and with wider Wynyard Quarter.
So it's a really challenging site. We've got tidal steps, we've got old wharves, we've got the marina kind of circling around it. So we needed to make sure that the design itself could fit beautifully in space but also be really durable and kind of cope with those marine conditions. So the team worked really well together with Land Lab to kind of design up a bespoke product. So being able to go back and test the design, model it together was really valuable, and I think that's the expertise that the team brought.
Dowell was able to create a digital model of all the design aspects of this project to ensure it was seamlessly integrated. We were able to construct a lot of the work off-site, ensuring that it all complied to the design.
To actually be able to fabricate it to that degree of tolerance and slot it into the seawall as one complete piece in order to meet the program and some of the constraints of the site down here, that was really impressive to me.
So the construction of the piles and the pontoons has created a rigid barrier, and you can see around it a stainless steel barrier that stops people entering the navigation channel.
So I think what was key to Dowell's approach to the project was how connected their different layers of leadership, management and fabrication on the factory floor were. So all of those layers talking to each other and working together very closely to achieve what we see behind us today.
The Dowell team was super in terms of, again, working with us through the design, working with us through the installation, really tight tolerances, working amongst other contractors that were down on site. So we know the team delivered on time and within the budget, which was always amazing to do. So we really appreciate the team and look forward to working with them in the future.